Welcome to CerviImagingDiag app. Here we will see how doctor will register in this particular app. So he or she will fill up the name, doctor ID, date of the birth and corresponding password. After filling up all those details, he or she will click on the register button. Once it is done, the message will appear, registration successful. After completing the registration successfully, doctor will click on to the login button and will fill up corresponding login ID and password. Then he or she will click on to the login button and the doctor dashboard will appear. For registering the new patient, patient ID and corresponding password will be given. Okay. So the overall registration process for the new patient can be completed. And the overall message will be appeared in front of you along with the patient ID that the registration is successful for that particular patient. Then corresponding DIC image grade will be loaded there from the cervical region for that particular patient, and the prediction has appeared here like predicted grade is grade 2, and the corresponding patient-friendly explanation generation is also available. So as the bilingual facilities are available in this particular app, the doctor will type like translating Hindi. So once they will type it, so basically there is an option of sending it to the CerviImagingDiag board. Okay, so after that what will happen, you can see the predicted grade has appeared, grade 2, and the corresponding English and the Hindi version of the explanation generation has appeared to guide the patient. Now, which I mentioned earlier that this is editable, so doctor may put one message for the patient like book the appointment immediately, and he or she can then save the report. So this particular message will be appeared along with the earlier explanation generation for the patient to guide the patient in their treatment in their portal. Okay, so chat with the patient option, doctor doctor may put some input there like check your report. Once he or she will click on the send button, the corresponding patient will receive that particular message to their corresponding patient ID. After the doctor is clicking on the logout button, you will see that how the patient will interact with that particular dashboard. So patient is basically filling up patient ID and the corresponding password. Then she will click on the login button. There are two options, English and Hindi version. Okay, so as per the patient compatibility, she will be able to see that. But remember that when she will click on the report generation button, the PDF file will give the overall report in English only. After that, obviously she will go for the scheduling the appointment. After booking request process has been finished, she might drop a text like I have booked the appointment, okay, and please let me know your fees. So these are the very common process. So we have given you some demo conversation in front of you so that you can understand the overall functionality of the app. So as you can see in the screen, the patient is typing I have booked the appointment, full stop. Okay, and then in the next step what she is typing, may I know your fees, so that according to her affordability, she can approach the doctor. And then she will log out from her system. Now you will see that how the doctor will interact with the patient according to the conversation history through this app. So obviously, as basic stage, doctor will log into the app first and will go to his or her dashboard. So now doctor has seen the query from the patient. So he or she is typing rupees 500 as her fees. and also putting the confirmation to the request, appointment request to the patient. He or she will may drop a message like, I have accepted your appointment. And then click on the send button. Now doctor may log out from his or her system. Okay, now what will happen? I will show that how the patient will interact with the dashboard after reading the message from the doctor. So after using her login ID or login details, patient came to her dashboard and saw the inputs given from the doctor. So she, as a courtesy, she is typing, thanks for accepting the appointment. And we'll click on the send button. So we hope that you got some idea that how the CerviImagingDiag app works. Thank you very much for watching our video.